And welcome back. To France we go, where a hat-trick from 34-year-old Cristiane carried Brazil to a 3-0 win over Jamaica in the opening game of the FIFA Women's World Cup in Group C. Karen Madden reports.
Primetime Sports FIFA Women's World Cup report.
So this is the place that history would record Jamaica's historic entrance onto football's biggest stage. The Reggae Girls, the youngest team at the World Cup, carrying the weight of an entire nation. Watched by almost 18,000 flag-waving fans with a predominant Jamaican presence, obviously undaunted by the rain that had been pelting down all morning, it was the Brazilians who started the game, enjoying most of the possession. The Brazilians bossed the game as the Reggae Girls seemingly struggled with nerves and were rewarded in the 15th minute when Cristiane out-jumped the Jamaican defense and put the ball past Sydney Schneider with a glancing header. Jamaica's best chance came shortly afterwards when Khadija Bunny-Shaw outmaneuvered her markers and launched a ferocious shot, which goalkeeper Barbara tipped over the bar. And though the Reggae Girls pressed for the equalizer, it was Brazil who had the chance to go further ahead when the referee signaled for a handled ball in the area. And it was up to Schneider again. The 20-year-old went right, the ball followed her, and she gobbled it up to maintain the 1-0 scoreline going into the half. The Reggae Girls' troubles got worse just 5 minutes after the resumption when Cristiane recorded her second of the day. The Sao Paulo forward recorded her hat-trick from a free kick just outside the box, with goal line technology ensuring it was 3-0 to Brazil on the day. Head coach Hugh Menzies thought nerves played a part, but also saw positives.
I mean, obviously, we're going to play the team that's ahead of us next, so we feel athletically we can match up with a lot of these teams. So we're just gonna go back to the drawing board, fix some of the things that we know are fixable.
Schneider also gave her assessment following her outstanding game.
I believe, like you said, I had a few really good saves, but there was also 3 goals, so I wish I could have helped my team more. But with the saves, I was just doing my job and being there for my team. My assessment of the team, it would just kind of be, like Hugh said, we have to take these lessons and just apply them for the next game. This is our first game in a big tournament, but now that is behind us, our nerves should be behind us. So we just have to go out for the next game and be ready.
And the veteran Cristiane, speaking through an interpreter, lauded Jamaica for their entrance on the big stage.
I'm really happy today with the match and win the game, and I'm really happy too with Jamaica because stay here. It's really important to develop the women's football team in the world.
Jamaica will next play group leaders Italy on Friday in Rome. Reporting from the FIFA Women's World Cup, Karen Madden for TVJ Sports.